People, what's up, everybody? Just gonna do a little thing for my plants, little video. This is my ice cream banana plants, aka blue Java, however you want to pronounce it, Java. Oh man, they look so happy and so robust and full and just healthy inside with me. They love to be in here with their daddy. I can tell, like it's just a totally different thing. Like when they're outside, they just look kind of droopy and just kind of dry, and I can just feel them crying out to me, "Take us in, please, take us in." That is the one good thing about fall and winter. I get to bring my plants in. They get to be around me every day. Like it gives me so much joy. Like you have no idea. But yeah. This one here has been so fertile, man. It's been having babies like crazy. These here are called pups. They're basically babies. Once they get to about a foot tall, 12 inches, you can cut them off, and they will be sufficient on their own. They can grow their own root system. And yeah, I'm gonna have. I have 5 right now. I'm gonna have 7 banana plants here by the end of the winter. Can't wait. But yeah, here's 3 more. They have any babies? No babies. No babies. No babies. Yeah, that's my chrysanthemum yellow, chrysanthemum red. They got some new growth coming in. These are my pepper plants. I've trimmed them way back and took all the fruit off. They're done for the winter. Shut them down. This is a hibiscus. Yeah, I've trimmed it way back. Probably gonna take these 2 side growths off here. And my Meyer lemon tree is looking nice and happy and healthy. There we go. There's a nice clear view of it there. It's almost as tall as me. It's about 6 inches, 6 more inches. It'll be as tall as me. And this is curcuma, I believe. Yeah, there's no flower. It's pretty much just growing leaves for the winter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Say hi to my dog. Say hi, Bo. That's Bo. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's my plants for the winter, and everything's happy, everything's healthy, everything's alive, and I'm happy too. Thanks for watching.